The ancient Yemeni terraces, engineering masterpieces for sustainable agriculture. Before we begin, we invite you to support our channel by subscribing, enabling notifications, and sharing this video with your friends. Your engagement through likes, comments, and discussions helps us promote knowledge about traditional Yemeni agriculture and sustainable practices. For thousands of years, Yemen has been home to one of the most remarkable agricultural innovations in human history, the construction of mountain terraces. These terraces, carved into the steep landscapes, have allowed generations of farmers to cultivate crops, conserve soil, and efficiently manage water in a challenging environment. The ingenuity behind Yemeni terrace farming is a testament to the wisdom of ancient civilizations and their deep understanding of sustainable land use. Why were Yemeni terraces built? To maximize arable land in mountainous regions with steep slopes. To conserve soil and prevent erosion caused by rainfall and water runoff. To harvest and manage rainwater, ensuring a steady supply for crops. To improve agricultural productivity and support rural communities. To create microclimates that regulate temperature and moisture levels for better crop growth. How were Yemeni terraces constructed? Building terraces in Yemen required advanced engineering techniques, adapted to local terrain and climate conditions. The process involved several key steps. 1. Site selection and land preparation. Farmers carefully selected locations based on soil fertility, rainfall patterns, and water flow. The land was cleared of large rocks, and pathways for water channels were mapped out. 2. Stone wall construction. Stone walls were built to hold the terraces in place. These walls, often made of locally available rocks, varied in height depending on the slope steepness. In some areas, walls reached several meters high to stabilize the soil. 3. Layering soil and organic matter. Once the walls were built, farmers filled the terraces with nutrient-rich soil. Organic matter, including decomposed plant material and manure, was added to improve fertility and moisture retention. 4. Water management and drainage. Terraces were designed with small openings and side channels to regulate water flow. This prevented excessive runoff and ensured that water was distributed evenly across the terrace system. 5. Seasonal maintenance and repair. Since terraces are exposed to natural elements, farmers regularly repaired stone walls, cleaned water channels, and reinforced weak structures to maintain efficiency. Types of ancient Yemeni terraces. Different regions of Yemen developed unique terrace designs suited to their specific environmental conditions. Here are some of the most common types. 1. Dry stone terraces, Jabal Haraz and Sada Highlands. These terraces were constructed using stacked stones without mortar, allowing water to pass through while holding soil in place. This technique was ideal for areas with low rainfall, as it minimized erosion while conserving water within the soil. 2. Irrigated terraces, Wadi Hadramaut and Taiz. In regions with seasonal water sources, farmers built terraces with irrigation canals that directed water from nearby springs and rainwater catchment areas. These terraces supported year-round agriculture, growing crops like wheat, sorghum, and coffee. 3. Rain-fed terraces, Ibn al-Mawat. Designed for areas relying entirely on rainfall, these terraces included small water retention pits to capture and store rainwater, reducing runoff and maximizing water availability for crops. Successful applications of terracing in Yemen and other countries. Yemeni terraces remain a vital part of the country's agricultural landscape. However, similar techniques have been used worldwide to combat soil erosion and improve farming efficiency. Yemen, the ancient terraces in Haraz, Manaka, and Al-Mawat continue to support coffee and cat cultivation, maintaining traditional farming methods. China, the Longji rice terraces in Guangxi province showcase how generations of farmers have transformed mountain slopes into productive farmland. Peru, the Incan terraces of Machu Picchu demonstrate advanced engineering skills in water management and crop cultivation. Ethiopia, the conserve terraces have helped local farmers sustain agricultural productivity in challenging landscapes. Benefits of terracing in sustainable agriculture. The Yemeni terrace system remains a model of sustainable farming, offering several long-term benefits. Prevents soil erosion. By stabilizing slopes, terraces protect topsoil from being washed away by rain. Enhances water retention. Terraces allow rainwater to seep into the soil rather than running off, ensuring crops have adequate moisture. Increases agricultural productivity. By making steep land cultivable, terraces expand the amount of usable farmland. Supports biodiversity. Terrace ecosystems provide habitats for beneficial insects and microorganisms, improving soil health. Reduces climate vulnerability. Terraces act as natural flood barriers, reducing the risk of landslides and waterlogging during heavy rains. The future of Yemeni terracing, challenges and preservation efforts. Despite their historical significance, many terrace systems in Yemen are at risk due to neglect and abandonment caused by migration and urbanization. Climate change, leading to irregular rainfall and land degradation. Economic challenges, making it difficult for farmers to maintain these structures. How can we preserve and revitalize Yemeni terraces? Investing in restoration projects. Local and international organizations can support farmers in repairing and maintaining terraces. Promoting sustainable agricultural practices, integrating modern techniques like composting and agroforestry. Promoting sustainable agricultural practices, integrating modern techniques like composting and agroforestry can enhance terrace farming. Encouraging community participation. Farmers, researchers, and policymakers must collaborate to protect Yemen's agricultural heritage. Implementing water harvesting techniques. Combining terraces with rainwater harvesting can maximize water efficiency in dry areas. Your role in preserving Yemen's agricultural heritage. Do you know other examples of terrace farming in Yemen or around the world? Share your insights in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on Yemen's rich agricultural traditions. Your support helps us continue spreading awareness about the importance of sustainable farming and historical preservation.